Now let's look at this question 19 for the WAEC 2018 chemistry pass question. The valence electrons of magnesium with the atomic number 12 are in the option A 3s orbital, B 2ps orbital, C 2s orbital, D 1s orbital. So in which of these orbitals is the valence electrons of magnesium found? So let's go through this. Now the answer to this is actually A. It is in the 3s orbital. Why is it in the 3s orbital? Because magnesium has the electron configuration of, this is the electron configuration of magnesium, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So you can see that the last the valence electron is the 3s. That the valence orbital is the 3s, and the two valence electrons are on the 3s. So if you add up these electrons, you're going to see here we have, in the 1s we have 2. So if you add up the electrons in the shells, or in the shells, we have 2, plus here we also have 2 here, plus here we have 6, plus here we have 2. So you're going to have 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. And you see that the number of electrons, which is the atomic number as indicated here, is 12. So it's actually 12 here. So we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So the shell, or the orbital that has the valence electron, which is 2, is actually 3s, and that's why the 3s orbital here is our answer. So to solve problems like this, you need to write down the electronic configuration and know that we have 1s, after 1s we have 2s, after 2s 2p, after 2p 3s, and so on and so forth. So the valence electron is these two, which is the electrons. The valence electrons are the electrons on the atomos shell. So it is actually 2, but it is actually found in the orbital 3s. So that is the orbital. You can find this topic under electronic configuration in your chemistry textbook. So check electronic configuration in your chemistry textbook. That's where you get this. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button by the side of the screen. Thank you. God bless you.